ma'am?
Sure, you may sit down, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, thank you so much for coming. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, ma'am.
All right. So in this special moment, I've been waiting for so long to have final examination relates to the interview test for today. Okay, and the materials will be discussed about the material of ship operation or TLK. Okay. So before we continue to the question, would you please to introduce yourself?
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Let me introduce myself. My name is Naufal Hasazeki Alwan, and I'm 19 years old, and I'm from Kendal, and I'm from Ship Operating Engineering Technology Department Alpha 60 batch.
Okay, nice to meet you. Well, you know that in a speaking test materials, we would like to talk about safety equipment. Since under IMO, we know inside of SOLAS, we can be seen there are two various of safety equipments, yeah, personal protective equipment and safety equipment. Would you please to tell me about safety, personal protective equipment itself and the function? Yeah.
Okay, and for the first is safety helmet. The function of safety helmet is to protect our head for falling object in the ship, and then the second is goggles. The function of goggles is to protect our eye from the small object, and then number third is safety glove. The function of safety glove is to protect our hand from sharp object, hit object, and then dangerous object. And then the number four is mask. The function of mask is to protect our nose and our mouth from small particle, and then from
Dust.
yes, and dust.
Yeah.
And then number fourth is safety shoes. The function of safety shoes is to protect our feet from sharp object, hit object, and slippery floor. And then number six is wear pack. The function of wear pack is to protect our body from dangerous goods in the vessel, maybe in the dangerous area.
Okay. All right. So I agree with you. When we discuss about personal protective equipment, those devices are very sensitive and important, yeah.
Yes.
Because without it, our body will be close to dangers, yeah. Okay. So we move to safety equipments that should be kept or should be put inside of the ship, yeah, like lifeboat and life raft. What are the function?
The function of lifeboat and life raft is to save all crew in the vessel while the ship is sinking or grounding.
Okay, what are the materials should be put inside of the lifeboat or life raft?
Number one is emergency food. Number two is emergency water. Number three is flare gun. Number four is magnetic compass, and number five is
fire extinguisher. Is there any fire extinguisher inside of the lifeboat or life jacket?
no. Number five is life jacket.
Life jacket.
And then emergency tools.
Okay, emergency tools. Or sometimes we also need as medical kit, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so you know that we also have to understand about fire blanket. Where should you put fire blanket inside of the ship? The location.
The location is in the engine room and then in the bridge.
Yeah, in the galley.
Yes.
In the galley, yeah, in the galley and in the engine room, because those two places or area are the source of the biggest fire. Yes. Okay. Now, what is breathing apparatus?
Breathing apparatus is a device to help all crew to breathing in the smoke or in the fog area in the vessel.
Okay. Well, we move to organization on the ship. You know, in the deck department, we have several level, right? Who are they?
The first is OS.
No, in the highest.
In the highest.
Uh-huh.
The highest is captain, and second is chief officer. Number third is second officer. Number four is third officer, and then number five is boatswain.
After boatswain?
After boatswain is apple seaman.
Yes, and the last?
Then the last is ordinary seaman.
But unofficial crew?
Cadet.
Yes. Okay. Well, we move to weather and terminology on the ship. You know that there are several natural disasters happen. What are they?
The natural disaster in the sea is number one is storm. Number two is number one storm. Number two is gale. Number three is hurricane, and number four is tsunami.
Okay. Sometimes you also find rough sea. Yeah. Okay. Well, you know that there is activity that should be done when you are on the ship, and this is very important and sensitive because once there is emergency, so everyone can secure themselves or other people. What is the drill?
Safety drill.
Yes. Okay. What is the meaning of danger signal?
The meaning of danger signal is in the Indonesia or
In English?
English.
In GMDSS?
Danger signal.
No? The signal that shown that there is emergency situation.
Mayday.
No, that's spoken, but this is the data inside of GMDSS.
Distress message.
Yes, exactly. Thank you so much for your time. What do you want to say to the people?
I think study hard and
Never give up.
yes, I think never give up.
When you find something difficulties, yeah.
Yes.
So just keep going on.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, Naufal, and see you. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Okay, that's all. Thank you. You can leave the class, yeah? Yeah, that's okay. Yeah. See you again for the next interview test.